Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. Swing on over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. So yeah, let's check this box out. Okay. So upon opening the box, you're greeted with a thank you note. No, thank you. And then you get the info sheet, and this is an invaluable part of these boxes. Any subscription box, you're going to want to keep this. If you don't, you could be screwed because everything's in Japanese. Here you guys see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 varieties in this box. And this is the March 2020 Shoyu Love Zenpop box. So I'm just going to do what I usually do, look at the sheet and tell you what the things are as I pull them out of the box. So let's go. First off, we've got one from Table Mark. This is their Home Run Chicken Shoyu Ramen. A solid shoyu flavored soup that really brings out the delicious and original flavor of chicken. The soy sauce is not an overwhelming flavor and is enhanced by amenma powder. The non-fried noodles are healthy and chewy, making it an irresistible bowl of ramen. Next up, we have Myojo Ippichan Rich and Sweet Thick Yakisoba. This month you'll enjoy a special yakisoba that combines thick and chewy noodles with sweet Kansai-style okonomiyaki savory pancake sauce. Look closely at the noodles. How do they compare to the other yakisoba noodles you've had? This rich Worcestershire-style sauce is flavored with roasted onion and garlic, plus a lot of spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, laurel, cloves, fennel, chili, and pepper. And here's one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Keika Kumamoto Tonkatsu Ramen. Keika Ramen Restaurant is a famous ramen joint in Kumamoto Prefecture, Kyushu. Known as the pioneers of Kumamoto Ramen, they opened their first Tokyo branch in 1968, more than 50 years ago. Kumamoto Ramen's characteristic is its rich tonkatsu broth made with pork bones with garlic chips and mayu, which is burnt sesame oil and garlic. Mayu's aroma brings you to heaven. Enjoy this authentic Kumamoto-style ramen topped with chashu, wakame, burnt garlic chips, and scallions. Next up, another one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Pokemon Noodle Shoyu Ramen. A tasty broth flavored with chicken, garlic, ginger, fermented bamboo shoots, and scallops, topped with Pikachu Kamaboko, a delicious slice of chashu, grilled pork, and corn. And here's another one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Yokohama Tonkatsu Shoyu Ramen. Tabemen is a collection of 7 notable ramen dishes from Yokohama, Kitakata, Kyoto, Sapporo, Hakata, and Hiroshima. This month you can recreate Yokohama's famous Tonkatsu Shoyu Ramen at home. A traditional Kyoto Tonkatsu is mixed with Tokyo's shoyu soup and with an added touch of chicken oil. And Pikachu's back again in this another Sapporo Ichiban Pokemon noodle. This is their Shoyu Udon. It's a classic udon, a dish of thick, chewy wheat flour noodles in a clear and lightly colored soy sauce broth flavored with kelp and katsuobushi. Toppings include Pikachu-shaped kamaboko, wakame, and seasoned deep-fried tofu. And finally, rounding out the March 2020 Zenpop box, we have Table Mark with their Ekimai Shokuro Shoyu Ramen. It might surprise you, but Japanese train stations are often the place to find a delicious meal. From Michelin-starred sushi restaurants to tasty ramenya. Eki means station, and mai is in front of. So ekimai literally means in front of the station. Shokuro are casual cafeterias that serve a variety of inexpensive Japanese dishes. pull up a stool at our Ekimai Shokuro to enjoy this Oishi Shoyu Ramen. Deep chicken broth flavored with soy sauce. Alright, so in this, the March 2020 Zenpop box, you get some shoyu, some Pikachu, some shoyu tonkatsu, some more Pikachu, some Kumamoto tonkatsu that looks really fancy, some thick yakisoba, some home run chicken shoyu, your information sheet, and a thank you note from Zenpop. Alright, cool. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Zenpop for shooting this over. And like I said at the beginning, you can head on over to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code RamenRaider for a special discount. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.